The world of clocks, the world of anatomic clocks, astral clocks, all kinds of mechanisms that go into the actual working of some of these rare antique faces from all around the world. Look at this. This is the back end of the movement. Well, today on Lexical Living, you're going to meet the master clocksmanship, the man who knows more about how to work, fix, and build some of these magnificent specimens right here. And just in case you're wondering, this is my clock. It's a little French clock that Nick so kindly fixed. It's going to work. You'll hear it. But let's listen to some of the other ones right now. Where are you going for lunch today?